KMDC jangka rembai Khliehriat Kong Violet Lyngdoh mentasi kum ke Kong san kal Plie paidbah ya kawe ke Shlem jinghikai ban pynbhabriew belah tip kum ke JEC Beauty Care course bat ke Eastsel Giant Eastern College Khliehriat ya gani ke Shlem jinghikai la jingkyrshan dak Plie Meghalaya bak Meghalaya Basin Management Agency dak pisa ka balai pulak tyngka dak bynta gani ke project bat dak kyrshan langru dak company dalmia na bynta ke Eastsel bat la kami nanti ba kani ka jinghikai kani rap shibu ni ki kena samla bakin yo kalat ban sengkam la ka jong hadin ba kila pendap ya ka jingsha hikai na kani ka Shlem ha kani ka program ne don den ka langru ki he jong ka company dalmia bakan top HR head dalmia cement Bharat Limited Meghalaya Vinay Kumar Mishra deputy manager corp CSR dalmia Bharat Foundation Jitu Moni Kalita Uba Kangbor Rambai Naka Dalmia Bharat Foundation UIR Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited Uba Carlos Rambai Kumjuru Kinong Tre Kiba Naka Prime Meghalaya Basin Management Agency Bakantopu Assistant Manager Prime Meghalaya Uba Iban Kraukupar Karnari Ka Technical Assistant Prime Meghalaya Dr. Bathsheba Basayaman Ka Assistant Commissioner East Giant Hills District Ka Kong F1 MCS Kinohikai Bat ki kena puli jang ka Giant Eastern College Khliehriat ki kena ki ba puli bat sha penteben ha ka course JEC Beauty Care course bat kiwe ki rang ba habakran ha ka jingelang ka Kong san ka Kong Violet Lyngdoh kala pau ka jing smokeman but I kuble yo principal jong ka Giant Eastern College Dr. Vision Nongtru u ya baro jingkyrshan lang ya ka project kalau ong bakani ka jingkyrshan ba yo naka dalmia pat naka Prime Meghalaya pat na Meghalaya Basin Management Agency kidai kum kalat ke kabu namar kidan shibun ki samla ki bala pendap ki jing puli hakikadan puli ba pher henry kimyo kam bat kani kadai kalat bakila ban seng ya ka kam la jong bat kumta dei ban panan kam hok ya kani kalat bakiyo ban trei bha ya ka kam ban dubla ban jeng hala ki jong ki kijat namar kani kadai ka rinsan baki khenna kila ban rung sha kalat kamai nganget ba kani kasin jam kani rap amtang ye ki samla ba sha hikai hangni henry kani rap ru ban kentiu ya kathan hi baro kawe bat kani ga jingrap bala yo kan kentiu ya ki samla katha namar kani ka rinsan kani rap man kentiu ki samla bat ka jingjab kasdang na ka sinjam ka baningkong ong ka kongsan.
I think when you're going to set up your own beauty salon or anything, you have to hire somebody, you have to train somebody, you are giving job to them. And what's the role between Prime and the beauty? You guys have finished that we can connect you or we can help you in funding, and you can come over to Eastsel and Prime will always be there to help you. So the main importance of Eastsel is to create awareness and mindset. And as you've seen here, there's so many who are new or who are not aware of entrepreneurships. Eastsel will be there to guide you and to give you awareness regarding entrepreneurship, how to go about.
Foundation has an objective. I am very happy that the Dalmia Bharat Foundation has a commitment for the development of the society. Not only producing the cement. And by looking to the completion of these courses, with the support of the Eastsel, the government of Meghalaya, they are also participating in this. And we should feel ourselves more opportunity. And we should feel ourselves that we are very lucky that we are in that part where the government is also supporting in that. But let me assure you very clearly, Dalmia Bharat Foundation has a commitment for the development of the society.
Also, if you do good things in a small part of Jinghikai Hills, it is also doing good for our nations. most of our parents and students also, they don't know what we are going to do after my graduation. But for these 30 students, now they will know. After my graduation, I can become, I can open my small parlors. If you open a small parlors at East Jingkyrshan districts, that means you are also contributing to the GDP of our India.
Bon ihna kiwada de pendep iaka master degree yaki degree kiwa kiwa yuluti yo iaka kre government job sang kumen ong wa MKW na po ga dalmia mo da support ki hedging to o aging rap na bynta yepi ikna skor wa kamnu open kre kampi gikam ki yang pi da ko mengkena nang wa mensem gawi ka jingrap to ka yang pi handrei pi uman pi i student mo kita ki trainer ki wa mut ki wa yu jingai na ga banta wo permiat panha he jing to wa kamet ka phat kam ong madam ne yu ga te do ki wasat yo ti the how you luti wara ya kra sarkar MK mu ped MK mi ya ka jabe MK mu ped MK mi ya ka talen ka wasi e belai pi yang ayo woro ini ka talen we belai aman la ka talen e tani bahai te sau suk ong wa kinong hikale arab yu pi na liang ka college la e pi ban na liang ka sarkar la yo pi jing arab na liang yo ka dalmia la yo pi jing arab pen MK mi gini ki jing arab but nagaliang yung nga kublay sibon yung ginigiw he kiwirap yung pi kikon kadro nagabanta u fulfill pi ya katega jingtharang yung pi